Ka Megalaya haga sen ka paningkong limba ka samla na Mawlai nolom ka samla Rachel Rima yaka jirwa kalayo ban kur yaka pansngiat Miss International Hornbill haringkat kejingya kop thei babreu ka blalong ha Nagaland dangshen kejingyo jongka ban phong yaka te ka pansngiat kala pelong yaka fashion society shillong kumjuru yaki thei babreu ki babat yaka nam ha kisnam baladep ban kindo lang ha kan ka snitho dieng ha state convention center ban penkup buram yaka te ka samla la ru ban kadaw hang ni baka samla Rachel minta tang ha kata ka bakhat khandai snem kala yo ru ban khur yaka khusnam Miss Beautiful Smile but Miss Evening Gown ha ka limpung yakop thei babreu ha Nagaland Syawagani hadirin bakladap IT ya kejeng ai sa jeng kemau chairman ka Fashion Society Shillong uba Aldous Molong ula ongru ba kikirmen ba kene ka samla kalaban poi ha kerdan Femina Miss India ladon lang ru ha kene ka sngi na do ka kong piralin nongbet kaladu ha ka Mrs Classic India pageant araja khat khandai ka kong Marjorie Nurin Dunai ladu Mrs Shillong araja khat khandai bat kanong hikai Yakite Gitei Babreo Kokong Ivari Hun Watri.
On behalf of Fashion Society Shillong, to present this memento to Rachel Jirwa, who's brought us a lot of pride for family, for our society and the state, and we hope to see her in Miss Femina India very soon.
Let's keep the applause going for Rachel and Sir Alice Mawlai. And not to forget,
it has helped me a lot. Miss Eva has groomed us so well that it has helped me a lot in my journey of Miss Hornbill International. I couldn't be more grateful to Miss Eva and to the Fashion Society of Shillong for those grooming sessions which are so valuable, and this crown is all because of those experiences here. My journey started when I was 15. I started auditioning for pageants at the age of 15, and at that time I was too young. I didn't get selected. And then later on I win Miss Mawlai, second runner-up in the year of 2022. Then I joined Miss Shillong, which tremendously changed me as a person, which helped me grow. And I've done also many shows, fashion shows, shoots, working with other people, so it has helped me a lot in my journey. Thank you so much.
Kaya jangan kelas dapat berbicara mengenang kamrip, mengenang katsan snap. Hari tu pun mengenang katsan snap. Yang bersang ban audition kini ke pageant sedang mengenang rik balat. Tang apa yang ke kerta ke bakat news snap. Ngayo ban job yang ke title second runner up jong Miss Mawlai. Nang tu kejing pen create jangan kedang yai beteng hadu nganda participate hakani snam ya ka Miss Shillong 2023 hang niru na Fashion Society Shillong kila ai shibon kejing hikai ni kebalaya rap shibon yang hakani ka journey jonga jong ka Miss Hornbill International kejing pen create jangan kala de nado penganang khat snam la lai south snam hadu manganda yo phong kan ka pansngiat but ke message banga kwa ban ai shaki para samla kalong ba do not stay in your comfort zone, step out of your comfort zone, because kani ke ke bangalit menta kamde banga kabade ke banga snusuk banga dan ha comfort zone kede ba anda filami na comfort zone jofi and setep ya potential jofi hadu kat no fila ban achieve accomplish jingal enti jonga kibon kijing e bangai kendo porang adang sedang ningkong kede ke support na yeng porang adang sedang ningkong ngam da yo than re ki pelat yang aban le hinre kimda kershan than nomor kimot ba kamde ke ka ba bha man le but kat ngarang ya lenti ki I yang abang le hakani ke kamde ke ba snew hinre ke ba yarap yang as a person men grow and nasayo kejing kershan na yeng nadu bangayo kejing kershan na yeng nas kamsuk yang abangan boy hadu kanya katam